Hello everyone, so today I'm gonna vlog this weekend. I'm super excited, it's gonna be a fun one. Today I'm going to the beach, and then after that I'm gonna paint some paintings for my house, and it's gonna be fun. And I thought you would like to see it. Back from the beach, I spent the day at the beach with my mom and my sister, and now I have a sunburn. A little bit, not a lot. We tried really hard to not get a sunburn, but I still did a little bit. But the day at the beach was awesome. The weather was perfect, and yeah, it was pretty great. So I'm very excited. Now I'm home and I'm gonna relax for a little bit. But I wanted to show you very fast a few things that I bought yesterday on the mall with my friends. So I'm just gonna be doing like a mini haul. And yes, okay, so the first thing that I bought was these sunglasses. They are from Primark and they were $3, and I really like them. Am I an influencer yet? I think so. And next I went to Stradivarius and there were still sales, so I got these sweatshirts. It was only €7 and it's like a good sweatshirt, so I thought it would be nice to have it because it's cheap, and I'll wear it in the winter and in like summer nights, I guess. And the last thing that I got is this top of a swimsuit, and it's from H&M. I took it today to the beach and it was pretty great. It has straps, it has such a cute pattern. And yeah, now I'm going to take a bath, then I'm going to relax and probably put my stuff on Depot because I haven't done that. And tomorrow I'll paint with my family the paintings that will go to the living room, and that will be fun. So yeah, see you later. Dinner is ready. Look at all the things. So this is our new sofa. It's lovely. Tomorrow we're gonna do some paintings to put here. And yeah, do you like our sofa, Marta?
I love our sofa.
You what?
I love it.
Okay, now we're about to see bones. And yeah, let me show what we have also new. We also have these. This is our new like thing. It's pretty, very pretty, and I think it goes with the rest of the kitchen. And it's adorable. So I think those are the main updates on this house. And also we have washing machine, washing machine, dish machine, and we have a new microwave. So yeah, can you see me? Okay, I'm gonna see bones now, and I'll see you later when I put my things on Depot. So this is how it's looking like. Like it. If you can go follow, I'll appreciate it. I'm on my sister's Depop, but it's okay. What are you doing?
Buying things.
Are you a consumist?
Yes. I'm not. I try not to.
We are going to the shop buy paints to paint our new house. Not our house, some paintings for our new house.
Yes, I'm kidding.
And we're very excited. So come along. Sim.
Shut up and come here. Cortar o história também do tamanho e guys are great.
We're gonna paint.
Over the hills and far from mine, she's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her my heart covered as a gift, and hope that you'll take it into her side. La 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 la.
This is the final project.
Hills and far from mine, she's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her my heart covered as a gift, and hope that you'll take it into her side. La 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 la.
It's real pretty.
Oh,
You are nice, thank you.
okay, so this is the final result. I super duper duper like it. Turned out awesome in my opinion. You like it? Ali draw this one and this one, and we made this one all together, and they are super cute. Okay, and that's it basically for this vlog. If you like it, give me a thumbs up and also subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.